Jai Gurudev children. Beta, in last period I have explained you the Cartesian system, quadrants, and what will be the sign in the different quadrants, abscissa, x-axis, and ordinate as y-axis. Till here we have learned in the previous class. Now in today's class we are going to learn how to plot the points on the graph paper. Okay, for that I am showing you how you will plot the points. See that beta. First question is that draw the axis and plot the following points on the graph paper. Okay, I have written question over here also, so you can see from here also. Okay, now see that beta, I have drawn these x and y axis. I already told you how you will represent the axis. Okay, this is that's why I am showing you in graph paper. Now see that beta, it will be origin, so coordinate of this point will be 0, 0. Okay, now every 1 centimeters line is there, so I am in this direction. It will be x-axis as I taught you earlier. Okay, x-axis. It will be beta y-axis. Here it will x dash means beta negative horizontal axis will be negative in this direction, and this is negative y-axis, so y dash will be there. Okay, now see that here it will be 1, this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, till 6 I have taken. Here beta upward direction positive is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Here negative -1, then beta -2. If you have a small graph paper, then in middle of 0.5 line you can take as 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way also you can take beta. If you are having a small paper now, at that time you can plot that. It depends on our choice, that's how we are taking distances. So in a small paper also we can manage. Then at that time in 1 centimeter box 2 numbers can come. Okay, see that -2, -3, -4, -5 or -6. Okay, now here beta in the lower direction again -1, -2, -3, -4 or -5. As we will plot the first of the means axis and the point on the given axis. Okay, now first point is beta 2, 5. 2 means positive 2, so positive 2 on axis is here. Okay, I am plotting this by pen, but you plot them by pencil only. 2, 5. So 2, 5 means first point I taught you that it will be the x-axis. So see that 2 is here and 5 means +5. So 2, 5 will come like that. And see that 5 from here. So join them. You can see this. Now it is beta 2. Here on x-axis it is 2 and it is 5. 2, 5. On that day I was teaching you that the distances from the x-axis and y. If you will see that when you have taken the point on x-axis and when you are joining, this is coming the distance from y-axis. How much distance they are having? Means x coordinate will show the distance from y-axis and y coordinate, this 5 is there beta, it will show the distance from x-axis. फिर से सुन लो, जो x कोऑर्डिनेट होगा आपका यानी कि पहला पॉइंट होगा 2, वो आप देखिए कि आपकी y एक्सिस से डिस्टेंस को शो कर रहा है, और जो आपका y कोऑर्डिनेट होगा 5 है ना, 5, तो ये किससे डिस्टेंस आपकी शो कर रहा है? 5 यूनिट किससे है? ये 5 पॉइंट की डिस्टेंस किससे है? x एक्सिस से. तो इसमें उल्टा होता है, ठीक है. सो व्हाट इट इज देयर बेटा, x coordinate shows the distance from y axis and y coordinate shows the distance from x axis in any ordered pair on the given coordinate. Okay, suppose Further we are coming to the rest of the questions also. See that now beta b minus 6 comma 4. B point is, to give it as a, okay, minus 6 comma 4. So in x axis you will come first minus 6, it is, and minus 6 comma 4 means positive 4. So positive 4 is there beta. Here you can see 4 is there. So come in here because minus 6 is here. So here we will do. So now join them in this way. Maybe everybody of you will understand the points properly. Minus, it is minus 6. So minus 6 comma 4. It is as B. Okay. Now see that here also minus 6. Minus 6 is the distance from y-axis. Okay. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the distance from x-axis. Okay. I am hoping that now this point will be clear to all of you. Okay. Now come to the C point. And C point is beta minus 4 comma 4. Minus 4 comma 4. Okay. Minus 4 means on x-axis we will go minus 4. Okay. And on y-axis we will go as 4. So 4 line for 4 unit from y-axis is already this line. So you join them in this way. So it will be minus 4 comma 4. C minus 4 comma 4. Okay. Now come to the D point. D is 3 comma minus 5. So on x-axis we will go 3 and minus 5 on y-axis we have to come on the lower direction. So it will be minus 5. So 3 comma minus 5 will be on the lower direction. So come there 3 comma minus 5. So this is as 3 comma minus 5. Join them in this way. So it will be 3 comma minus 5. Now next E minus 5 comma minus 5. Last point, that is E point and minus 5. On x-axis you will go minus 5 here. This is on the left direction. Minus 5 comma minus 5. Y-axis also minus 5. So see that minus 5 comma minus 5 will be here. Okay. So see, make a small dot there and join them. It is E and minus 5 comma minus 5. So in this way beta you will plot the points. Okay. It is your question number first. Answer number first. I am drawing them by pen, but you don't draw them by pen because it is not good. Whenever we are plotting the graph, we should draw by the pencil only. But here, because it will not be clearly visible to you, that's why I am drawing it by pen. Okay. Now come to the question number 2 beta. Which of the following points lies on x-axis? Now see that beta, what is the question number 2? Which of the following point lies on x-axis? First of all, you just try to think over it that beta, which point will lie on x-axis? 0, 0 will be lie always on the origin. Okay. If I have made 0, 0 will be at the means meeting point of the both the axis. Okay. Now see that where 0, 2. 0 means on x-axis we don't want to go. X coordinate is 0. So we will not go on x coordinate. So or 2 is on. So this point will lie on the y-axis. Because 0, so from here what we have concluded, if 0 first coordinate will be 0 and second coordinate is any number, then that point will lie on y-axis. It means what should be? See that 3, 0. So x-axis is 3. So 3 is here. So we don't want to move forward. On y-axis we don't want to go anywhere because y coordinate is 0. So अब क्या होगा? ये 3. This will be 3, 0. Okay. And 3, 0 means this will lie on x-axis. Now think what we have concluded from this question, that if in any coordinate system on any ordered pair number, if first coordinate, okay, see that if in x comma y, if in x comma y, x is any number or y coordinate is 0, okay, so this kind of points will always lie on x-axis, and the points which will be like that 0 comma minus 4 or any positive or negative number, then those points will lie on always y-axis. Okay, so these points will lie on y-axis. Maybe up to here everybody of you are clear in the concept. Now come to the question. Okay, I have made the points. I am showing you by plotting them, I am not writing directly answer for them. So 0 comma 2 beta means on x-axis we will not go anywhere, on y-axis we will go here. So this point will be as 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2. So on which axis it is lying, you can see from here, it is y-axis. Okay, b 0 comma 0 will lie on origin. Okay, this is already in origin, so this is as your b point, this is as your a point. I am naming them also. Okay, then c point beta 3 comma 0, on x-axis we will go 3 and on y-axis we don't want to go 0, so this point will show 3 comma 0. So if in any coordinate system, okay, if x-axis have any number or y-axis, y coordinate is 0, then that coordinates will lie on x-axis. So directly from here also we can conclude that, see that here d is minus 7 comma 0. So minus 7 will lie on x-axis and we will not move anywhere on y-axis. So this point also will lie on x-axis. And 0 comma minus 3, x-axis we will not move, it will move on the upward or on the lower direction. So this point will lie on the y-axis. Okay, now see that c 3 comma 0, d minus 7 comma 0, d means minus 7 comma 0. Okay, so minus 7 I am not having in a space, so I am what I can go to, so it will lie somewhere here. I am just showing out of the, because this graph is small, so you can take a bigger graph in your copy. It will lie somewhere here afterwards. Otherwise I have to divide the points in the small way, but in this way in whole graph I have to do correction, so I am not showing them. So minus 7 comma 0 will also be on x-axis. Okay, and e 0 comma minus 3, 0 on x-axis you will not go, and 0 comma minus 3 this one, so this will be as point E. Okay, so now what conclusion we have decided from this question, that which point are lying on x-axis, 3 comma 0 and minus 7 comma 0. So you can write that 3 comma 0, answer 3 comma 0 and minus 7 comma 0 lie on x-axis. Okay, so maybe now up to here, because in this question he was not saying that to plot these points, so by showing you I have so that you can make the decision that how we are concluding. Okay, so in the next question now I am not going to do the plot the graph, because in that question we can write directly beta. ओके, यहाँ पर भी हमको ग्राफ की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, पर आपको शो करने के लिए मैंने ग्राफ प्लॉट करके बता दिया है. ओके, सो इन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम राइटिंग डायरेक्टली दैट ऑन विच एक्सिस दीज पॉइंट्स विल बी लाई. नाउ सी दैट बेटा a 0 comma 0, with this time you have to say that which point lie on the y-axis. So only those point will be lie on the y-axis for which x coordinate will be 0. Okay, solution. See that 0 comma 0 will lie on the origin. 0 comma 2, x coordinate is 0. Okay, so this point will lie on y-axis. So b 0 comma 2 will lie on y-axis. 4 minus 4 comma 0, it will lie on x-axis. D 0 comma 5, D 0 comma 5 will lie on y-axis, and E4, 5, so it will lie on both the axis, x-axis and as well as y-axis. Okay, so in this way only 2 points will lie on the y-axis. Now children, come to the question number 4 beta. Write down the distance of these points from the y-axis. Okay, this is your question. Write down the distance of these points from the y-axis. For this I am writing the answer in your copy, and I am explaining you also. Just now I have explained this all also to you. Okay, suppose x and y are the coordinates of any point. Okay, then x will show the distance from y-axis, okay, and y will show the distance from x-axis, What the children are doing mistake here? When the question comes in exam, what they are saying, x will show the distance from x-axis. No beta, it is reverse in this case. X means x coordinate will show the distance from y-axis, and y coordinate will show the distance from x-axis. Now see that in -2, 4. Okay, -2, 4. You have to write the distance from y-axis. So distance from y-axis, x coordinate will show. So in A case, distance from y-axis in -2, 4 is 2 unit. If it will be negative, now we will not take, while the distance is never, it can be negative. So that's why we will not take negative sign here. Okay, so we will write that 2 unit. Okay, and in B question 3, 7, distance from y-axis is how much? 3 unit. How much? 3 unit. In C part, -4, -5, distance from y-axis is, now -4 is there, so you will not write minus sign there, you will write 4 unit. You will write beta 4 unit. Okay, then D part 4, 0, distance from y-axis is how much? 4 unit here. In this case also 4 unit. Okay, and finally in E part 3, 5, distance from y-axis is how much? 3 unit. So in this way, till this question number 4, we have completed. Okay, now afterwards we will come to the question number 5. And in question number 5 beta, what are the Cartesian coordinate of the point A? This point A is given to you. Okay, see that beta A. Here you can plot here on x-axis it is written 4. So it means its coordinate will be 4. Or on y-axis how much? And on y-axis you can see that we are moving to 1 or 2. On 2 line it is there. So its coordinate will be beta 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. What it will be? 4, 2. See that what is the Cartesian coordinate of the point P? This question you will do yourself. Here we are coming to the negative point. So you will join from here in this way. In this way you can join and you can read the coordinate of the point. Okay. Then C point. What are the Cartesian coordinate of the point C? Here 6 and 7 question you will do yourself. Okay. Now come to the question number 8. Come to the question number 8. In question number 8 beta, I taught you one thing. Okay. In the last period, one thing I teach you beta. that in a Cartesian plane will be like that. Okay, here this point will be as origin and this is as x-axis, negative x-axis, y-axis or negative y-axis. We are denoting it as y dash. Okay, we are denoting it as y dash. Now see that beta, here both the x-axis will be positive and here y-axis will also be positive. So both the number will be here in plus and plus. Here x-axis will be negative and y-axis will be as positive. So minus and plus coordinate will be there. Here x will be minus and y will also be minus. So both will be minus. And here x is positive and y is as negative. First we are taking as x coordinate. So in this way it can be done. This is as first quadrant. Maybe this you have seen in previous video. Second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Now in the given question, what you have to do, 3 comma minus 2 means x is 3 positive and y is minus 2. Y is minus. So plus and minus are coming in which quadrant beta? I am writing them here. Just wait. This is our question. Okay. So by means without location, it is not given us that the restriction that we have to locate the point. Without location, by identify that in which quadrant these points will lie. Okay, so what you will do, x is plus, here what sign they are having, plus and minus. So plus and minus comes in which quadrant beta? Fourth. So it will lie on the fourth quadrant. In B, both of them they have plus and plus sign. 2 is also positive and 5 is also positive. And plus are in which quadrant beta? First quadrant. So they will lie in first quadrant. Okay. Now see, minus or plus. Minus and plus sign they are having. Minus and plus will lie in the second quadrant. So these point will lie in the second quadrant. Okay. And minus will lie in which quadrant beta? Third quadrant. So they will lie in the third quadrant. So in this way beta, your exercise number 13.8 we have completed. Okay, and in the next class now we will do the exercise 13.2. Till that, thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.